Hi peeps, nice to have you join us again. Inside this video is 24 divided by 12 which equals 2 and 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Now we have this problem 2 divided by 2 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division 24 divided by 12 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 20 divided by 10, and we can write this part as 2 over 20 divided by 10. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 20 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 10 which equals 2 over 2 hundredths, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you had fun.